just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
Welcome back, folks. It's your boy DC. Yes, and yes, I know I have disappeared for a really long time, and here I am back with another cool video, guys. I hope you guys didn't miss me too much because I've been putting shorts too, yes, just to keep you entertained. I am still recovering because the operation is a bit deep and now I'm able to walk. So thank you guys for all your support all this time, guys. Yeah, I've received a lot of comments saying that I should make some new cars. Yeah, I'm still recovering, so I want you to be a little bit patient. I'll be getting a few of the cars, and you guys have watched my previous intro part. You guessed it, the Nissan GTR. Actually, this is the 2009 Nissan GTR R35. Yes, the car which saved the entire company. You can say that because in the 2007 Tokyo Motor Show, they launched the R35, which was a huge hit, and the company was almost to bankruptcy. So that close Nissan was, and one car saved the entire company. So that car is right behind me right here. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's right here, guys. Okay, so here is the R35 from Kinsmart, and I absolutely love these details, guys. Like the the GTR logo here at the front is superb. Some people, you know, they make their R35 slam to the ground with full-on body kits and flame throwing type of mods. Yeah, those things are absolutely insane. I love them, but also I don't really like them. Like the stock versions look better for me. The details on this is absolutely amazing, which I'm going to show you right now, and then we'll talk about its specs. But before that, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon not to miss any of my weekend video updates every Saturday 6 p.m. all the unboxings, whatever you expect, comment it down below too, and I'll be seeing you at that time. All right, then let's head to the unboxing. Looking at the R35 GTR, its first look is really amazing. You can see these headlights, which are really glossy, and you have these hood vents, which is amazing. And yeah, you didn't have these side bumper vents right here like the new GTR, so that's because this is the very first one. Yeah, they didn't make much of the design changes. It looks so amazing in Kinsmart version. This is how the interior looks. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, partially. And this is the side profile with these stock wheel rims. They're cool. Here's the interior. Okay, let me just zoom in. Right, that's the interior, the actual interior of the GTR. Pretty nice. So you do get those back four seats. I mean, back two seats, yeah. This is the steering column from the driver's perspective. It's nice. Of course, you don't get those pedals, which don't look so good. But here's the back of the car. It looks very realistic. That's so cool, guys. Love these tail lamps. Of course, the iconic GTR tail lights. It's so cool. And this is the bottom of the car. Okay, so here it says 2009 Nissan GTR R35. It's a 1/36 scale, made in China, Kinsmart. So yeah, that's pretty much the overall look of the famous GTR R35. So now let's head to the specs. Oh wait, just one more thing. The pullback. That's pretty fast, guys. So now let's head to the specs. Talking about the famous 2009 Nissan GTR R35, so let's talk about its top speed in the specs. So the top speed is 193 miles per hour, which is 310 kilometers per hour. It's very, very fast back in the day, guys. Yes, especially in 2009, it was really fast. And talking about the acceleration time, it was in the supercar category. That's the 3.3 seconds, about 3 seconds. And going for the horsepower, it produced 478 horsepower, not like the 600 horsepower it produces now. And talking about its engine, guys, the engine is a 3.8 liter twin turbo V6. Of course, you see it in the current GTRs too. And talking about the transmission, at that time you got the 6-speed Borg-Warner dual clutch transmission, which was pretty fast too in shifting. And talking about the body style, it's a 2-door 4-seater car, and yes, it's all-wheel drive. And now, judging this car through the ratings, well, I've seen its performance and of course its looks in the Kinsmart model, the diecast model 136 scale car. It has amazing details on this, especially from Kinsmart, which usually lacks much of that. And looking at all of those, I give it a score of 9.5 out of 10. Do comment your ratings down below. Let me check them out, and also share this video to all your collector enthusiasts, car enthusiast friends too. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more unboxings. Till then, bye bye. DCS out.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe!